Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add AI profile to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to go into the Slack app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just have to go into a channel, then we tap on connect apps. And here we have a list of different kinds of apps that we can add to our workspace. Under the Brilliant Bots section at the very bottom, we find AI profile for Slack. We just tap on this, and this is going to load. It's going to take a bit of time, but afterwards we can just tap on the Add to Slack button here in the middle, and then we can just add this app to our Slack workspace and start using it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.